Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will break down each stage of Nadia's journey, connecting her choices to real career steps and opportunities in genomic medicine and beyond. Together, we'll explore actionable roadmaps you can follow no matter where you begin. Whether you are a student, a parent, or simply curious about different careers, this guide will help you see your options clearly and make wise decisions for your future.
In our Kolkata lane, illness had a surname. Nadia learned early that blood can carry stories and burdens. Her grandmother spoke gently about traits that travel through families, like eye color and sometimes illnesses. That spiral felt like a secret staircase. Maybe answers lived there for families like hers. But curiosity came with fear. What if she wasn't smart enough to read those hidden codes? Her father said, "We'll learn slowly." Slowly is strong. The fear softened into a plan. The first experiment toppled. So did her confidence. Dadi whispered, "Failures are teachers wearing disguises." She wrote her why, to stop pain that repeats. Big dreams, small letters, steady heart. A voice whispered, "Not you." She chose to stay anyway. Staying became her first brave habit. She turned decorations into lessons, tiny base pairs around a cardboard helix, science hiding inside celebration. When white strands floated up, doubt floated down. Science wasn't magic, it obeyed patient hands. This time she stood closer to the front. Not fearless, just practiced. Practice sounded louder than fear. Numbers stopped being threats. They became friends who whispered patterns, even on dusty lanes. She built a discipline, 1 hour daily. Small, boring bricks that slowly raised a strong house. Teaching made learning stick. If kids could get it, hospitals might someday, too. She learned to restart quickly. New page, same purpose, fewer excuses. Not a medal of destiny, just proof that effort compounds. Today's inch becomes tomorrow's stride. Actionable step 1, master fundamentals. Biology and chemistry first, but keep statistics and communication alive. Step 2, respect protocols. Clean labels, controlled steps, repeatability. Professional habits start before professional titles. Step 3, gather clean data with ethics. Consent, privacy, gratitude. Science earns trust before conclusions. Step 4, document results well, photos, captions, dates. Portfolios open doors that mark sheets can't. Step 5, learn basic coding. Python, spreadsheets, clear visuals, bio meets info, and patterns bloom. Panic is a visitor. Invite routine to sit between you and it. Timers beat tremors. Soft skills, listening, clarity, empathy. Precision matters, but compassion earns the right to apply it. Not destiny fulfilled, just the next staircase found. 1 letter closer to decoding pain. Target India first. Chosen for lab depth, mentors, and cost. Excellence lives close to home. Abroad expands horizons, only if the research focus and funding align with your why. Pick a lane that fits your temperament, bench, code, or clinic. The right path sustains effort. She chose the research data route, biotechnology first, then genomics. A decision made from purpose, not pressure. College wasn't a montage, it was grind. Timetables, labs, error messages, and incremental improvement. Her niche chose her back, safe medicines, right doses, fewer side effects, especially for families like hers. She stacked employable skills, lab hands, clean data, clear plots, and a conscience that never sleeps. Another staircase, same rhythm, show up, improve, repeat. Next stop, genomes at scale, medicines with precision. Her first battleground was paper. Achievements became verbs, numbers, and a purpose line answering, "Why me?" She aimed locally first, strong labs, real patients, managers who prized grit over glamour. Abroad tempted, but fit mattered most, mentor quality, project pipeline, and room to grow responsibly. Each role meant a different hat, analysis, empathy, discovery, but all demanded discipline and communication. Failure wasn't fatal, it mapped gaps. She listed them, booked time, attacked them one by one. The yes finally arrived, not magic, just compounding effort meeting a patient interviewer. In our lanes, success is communal. Blessings and laddus fuel the next climb. Now the real work, codes, consent, care. She was ready to earn trust line by line. Real science is maintenance of truth, filters, thresholds, and patient debugging. Soft skills turn genomes into guidance. Clarity reduces fear faster than complexity. Interdisciplinary teamwork multiplies accuracy. Listening became her strongest instrument. Teaching spreads technique and ethics. 1 hour can redirect a dozen careers. Entrepreneurship turns ideas into access, scale compassion with sustainable models. Public health impact feels immediate, knowledge replaces stigma in real time. Careers are cocktails, mix roles that honor your why and your stamina. Purpose outlasts fatigue. She would keep translating genes into gentler treatments. Respect felt like belonging. Neighbors claimed her progress as their own. Impact measured in calmer faces and safer nights, that's prestige worth keeping. Precision medicine at scale could save billions and protect millions. Science as nation building. Global rooms wanted India's voice. She carried lanes, labs, and lives into policy. Progress needs fences, privacy, consent, equity, so breakthroughs don't break trust. Shared science means shared safety. Collaboration prevents blind spots that harm. She guarded balance so she could guard patience. Rest fuels responsibility. The girl who feared not being enough became someone's answer. That's a worthy promotion. Here's a practical path you can follow, an end-to-end project matching genes to medicine doses. Gather ethical, they identified data. If unavailable, simulate responsibly for practice. Cleanliness decides credibility, document every fix so results are reproducible. Visualize first, understand effect sizes before modeling, so interpretations remain honest. Start simple, linear regression with clinical covariates. Baselines beat brittle complexity. Validate on unseen data. Explain drivers clearly to clinicians, transparency wins trust. Convert models into decisions, clear, cautious, and always under physician supervision. Ship your work, invite feedback, iterate. Keep your why close, patience, not metrics, define success.
So, that was today's career story. Now we'd love to hear yours. Share your career journey in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.